Right, so the first layer is dry. I'm feeling a bit gritty sort of around this area here, and just on here as well, so I've got a bit of 600 grit sandpaper. Just going to go over. That's doing much better now. And also with the sanding, quite often you end up with little sharp edges on the side of the cracks here, and that's taking those off at the same time, so it's actually now feeling pretty good. Just put one couple over there. Rightio, so we'll do second coat number 2. So again, just dipping the stocking into the colour again. And just do exactly what we just did before. I love my dust, hadn't I? This is the second layer of colour, and already I'm starting to see the cracks starting to disappear. When I say disappear, it's disappearing as far as colour goes. So the darkness on the crack has been covered over. With cracking, you're never going to get rid of it completely, and that's the whole idea with these old seats, is to retain its original patina. So it's starting to look quite good now. So here again, I'm just pushing it into the cracks, into the pleats. There we go, so there's colour coat number 2, just patted on. So what I'll do now is, I'll probably do this another 1, maybe 2 times. So I'll cut away now, finish this one and bring it up to the last pad, and I'll just do the rest of the seats, and then we'll come back and we'll get into the spraying. So over and out.